demo, which is related to the recently developed module. And this payroll module we have created from scratch, and we remove all the complexity of existing payroll module what we do already provide, where you need to configure all the salary structure with reference of complicated Python code and so many other related details configuration part. So we just simplify it with reference of directly a billing or invoice link with it. And so I just initially start with the account configuration with payroll, where we just use the standard payable property of partner. So here we will use the employee contact, where we will set the employee payable account as a configuration part. Other thing, we have set about some advanced setting of payroll, which is related to Indian localization. Two things, which is PF and ESIC, where we just use the employee contribution separately with reference of company. But these two are the Indian localization part. So for the other country, they don't require it to configure. But other important things, we calculate the commission, like if any specifically agency, HR agency, and they want to calculate each employee commission configuration individually for each individual salary, this part we enable it very easily. This is related to accounting again, with the individual accounting entry. If you want to create it for the expense property of the salary expense account, we need to enable it. Otherwise, we don't need to do it. It will be directly configured with reference of employee contract. So when we create a contract, you will see we will configure a salary expense account over here, and the wage will be defined with reference of per day or month. Here I am putting this as a day-wise configuration. So per day charge we have configured over here. So I'm just giving you the two example where I just put the basic salary calculation based on day, that is the month what we are going to reference it. Rest of the thing are remain as it is. So the salary structure, you can define it very easy. You don't require to add it basic salary, because basic salary will be automatically calculated based on the configuration of contract. Rest of the allowances you can add, and you can configure it according to both the principle of fixed or percentage. And however, this particular percentage value will be calculated based on your basic salary calculation, total basic, and not of that. That is the current configuration what we added based on the generic way. So here I have calculated three batches of salary structure. You will see for the February month, for the March, and then I calculated the salary of two employee. You will see the basic salary is automatically calculated for the number of days and the per day salary. Rest of the calculation, it is also done, and if you can see over here that it will calculate the commission and the PF calculation also. So rest of the thing is working as it is way. You can print the salary slip, you can print the payment advice to send it to your bank when you calculate it for your specific bank part. So I guess that's it.